Hey guys, this is Chetan and welcome to CRNT Designers. This video is about the Blender add-on. I have created a Blender add-on for the hard surface modeling. This add-on is for quick and easy Boolean operations. The add-on is lightweight and easy to understand. You have seen me using this add-on in my modeling videos. The name of the add-on is Boolean Toolkit. With the Shift Q, you can enable this add-on and you will get one pie menu to use this add-on. On the occasion of the Christmas, I have launched this add-on on our Gumroad Store. You can get this add-on at the price of $3 on our Gumroad Store. Link is in the description. Thanks for your support to my modeling videos. I hope you are going to show the same kind of support to this add-on also. And now let's see how we can use this add-on. Here is the Blender 5.0. Go to the Edit, Preferences, then Add-ons, and then click on this icon, Install from Disk. Go to the Downloads, and here is the Boolean Toolkit v5 and install from disk. Easily you can install this add-on. Here you can see. Press N. You will get this menu. Here is the Boolean and Boolean pie menu, Boolean Toolkit. If you click on it, you can see the different options. Press Shift Q so you can see the different pie menu options. Difference, intersect, union, symmetrize, mirror, and array. I'm going to delete this camera and light. Select this cube, Shift D to duplicate it. Now select the base object, then select the second object, and then press Shift Q and use the Boolean operation difference. You can see. Press Shift Q, use the Boolean operation union, and it will add Boolean modifier. You can see here, and from here you can apply the Boolean modifier and delete the cutter object like this. Then Shift D to duplicate this object, give the position here, then select these two objects and then press Shift Q, use the intersect Boolean operation like this. Apply the Boolean modifier and delete the cutter object. Shift D to duplicate this cube, select these two objects, Shift Q and use the Boolean operation difference. Apply the Boolean modifier and delete the cutter object. Now the cutout is along the x-axis. I'm going to press Shift Q and use the symmetrize option. You will get a symmetry along the x-axis. And this is a quick symmetry only for along the x-axis. This is just for the quick operation. Then press Shift Q and take the array. It will add array modifier, and from here you can change the array count and the factor like this. Delete the array modifier. Select this object. Go to the edit mode, select everything and G and move it along the x-axis like this, and then press Shift Q and use the mirror operation. It will add a mirror modifier. You can take the mirror along the different axes. Set the origin to the geometry and snap object to 3D cursor. Select the object and press Shift Q and use the different options from the pie menu. So this is the add-on. I try to keep this add-on very simple and easy to use. I can add many functions in it and it will get more complicated. I want a simple and easy tool, so that's why this Blender Toolkit add-on. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, then hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye. See you next video. Take care.